As Ukraine's drone operators keep cleaning the battlefield, they sometimes come across something so enticing they have to act. They often make sure abandoned infantry fighting vehicles and tanks get completely destroyed, ensuring these can't be recaptured and repaired. But while this had an important function, sometimes other prizes can be found on the battlefield. The drone operator of the 79th Brigade found a large anti-tank pile hidden in a small trench, letting a small warhead start a chain reaction, creating a massive explosion that seems to shake out the second warhead of the small drone due to the shockwave. The drone seems to be undamaged, being able to fly away to find more intriguing targets in the future. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.